Okay, the pose is looking really good. It sort of looked like the arms were floating off the ground, but maybe it's just because there's no ground in there. This kind of helps to put a ground plane in, and then you can, adjust everything accordingly. I mean, yeah, I guess they're alright. I think you could get these knees lower. Where's your controls? Oh, hidden. Um, maybe just a little bit, and then bring these back up. And this, so if you have, the point is if you have the ground plane in there, also might help with this to have ambient occlusion on, just to kind of sort of shows that contact there a little bit better. Actually, I think that one's fine. It's just, oops. This one. Anyway, so let's just kind of look at the rig here. I'm just going to reset this pose. And why did does the lighting look like that now? That's really weird. Is that the ambient occlusion thing doing that? Nope. I don't know why. Wait, it looks shaded even in this view. It's like it's lit. That is very strange. I'm very confused why that looks dark there. Um, Even in normal shaded mode. I'm just going to reopen the file just for fun because so the lighting looks normal here. Um, and it was as soon as I reset the pose, I did that weird thing. Yeah, it's doing it again. I have no idea. So it's just, hopefully it'll be fine in the render, or maybe it's not happening to you. Just let me know if it is. But just kind of want to run this through some of its paces, make sure it seems to be working okay. Yeah, there's something that's funny. That boot is like sort of, yeah, sort of like the heel kind of stretches and squishes, which I imagine you don't want. So let's just take a look at that. Right mouse click, paint, skin cluster, weights, and just gonna double click on the paint weights tool here and look at the ankle weights. And I think that you would want that area 100% with the ankle. So I'm going to do replace with a value of 1, hold down B to adjust my brush size, and let's just paint this whole heel. Oops, I hit some of the... certainly the heel. Something like that. Okay, let's try that now. Just middle mouse dragging here. See how that heel doesn't stretch out now? And you should be able to just mirror that over to the other side. See how that one's still stretching? So let's select this and let's do under rigging skin mirror skin weights options. Across the YZ plane is correct. We want to go from the, we can see this X is pointing this way, so this is the positive side, that's the negative side. So we want to go from positive to negative mirror. Let's see if that worked. Yes, it did. Okay. Alright, anything else? Yeah, great. I mean, I'm really not finding anything. There was that little thing on the foot, but besides that, oh, oh yeah, that's fine. Um, the thumb, you didn't adjust the thumb's angling at the wrong angle. It's which it's sort of what you can do is you can still manually rotate these, you know, like kind of just dragging like that. So it is still, but see how it's rotating in all three axes? What you really want to do is adjust that going back. Just going to save a version of this real quick. Let's see if it'll let us do this. It's got this like thing where you can switch to the fit skeleton. And yeah, it's like, so that's the Z, what is this? Yeah, that's the Y. So we'd want like, I think we'd want the Y axis pointing out more this way. So I think we would take these and go into component mode, click on the question mark, and then take the local rotation axes, and then E for rotate, and then get that Y thing pointing out more across the hand, like that. And see if that works when we rebuild. Hoping we don't have to like reweight and all that. I don't think we should. I think it keeps the weights for you. It's smart enough. It's kind of taking its time. Oof. Okay. Oh, okay. So let's see. Ah, do you see how that's better? That worked. Yay! Yeah, nice. Okay, cool. And does this still work? Did it keep those weights that we fixed? It did. Fabulous. Okay, we'll save that in case you want it. Let me know, but should be able to fix those little things.